welcome back to my channel. It is your girl Neriah. For those who are new here, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. As you can tell by the title, we are doing another wig review today. Huge shout out to Vanlov for sponsoring today's video. Sent me over this gorgeous 26-inch 4x6 glueless closure unit. I did go ahead and spray it down. I'm just loving how this turned out. I did wash this hair and I had to pluck it. Now it does come pre-cut, it does come pre-bleached. I had to do a lot of plucking to get this result. Overall, the hair is beautiful, bomb, silky, and luscious. I did add just a little bit of loose curls at the end, just a little bit. Just wanted to give it a little boom. Vanlov has a lot of different options for you guys. If you want straight hair, curly hair, blonde, anything that you would need with a wig, I'm sure they got your back, and they definitely have it with these glueless wigs. I absolutely loved how this install turned out. If you are interested in seeing me install this wig, how we got this look stitched, just keep on watching, and all the details for this unit will obviously be down below. So much Vanlov for sponsoring today's video, and I will see y'all next time. Just interrupt this for a moment. Do you see how long on the inside of the wig you do have all of the grips? I don't know if you guys can see that, but this grips across the entire wig, which is a bonus. Do you see how these grips on the side? Baby, your wig ain't going nowhere.